Bryant from JET Performance Products, coming to you today from our headquarters here in Huntington Beach, California. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to install the JET Xcelerator in a Ford application. Now let's take a look how simple this is. Now we're going to show you how easy this is to install the Xcelerator on your Ford. Since we don't have the vehicle here and we can't shoot up under the dashboard, we're using one of our harnesses to demonstrate what your factory harness looks like. On this harness, you simply push down this little button right here and pull it off, pull it aside. You're going to put the JET harness basically in the middle between your harness and the gas pedal itself. Push this on, make sure it clicks down, it's on solid. Connect the other end of the JET harness to your factory harness from the vehicle. And then you're going to take the controller connector, plug it into the Xcelerator box. Make sure it snaps all the way in. You can hear it click. Also note that if you have to remove these, there's a small button right here that you push down on before you can pull it back out, just so you don't break the wires off. Take the controller wiring harness, plug it into the box, like so. Make sure it clicks down, and your installation's basically complete. You might want to put the Velcro on the back here and attach it to something up under the dash or on your kick panel. The controller allows you multiple settings for performance. It has a valet mode and also a security mode that'll lock the vehicle out so it can't move. That's it. The installation's that simple. You're ready to go. Have fun.